Got a flagpole in the front, I like that. Okay, paint's got to go on a different color.
So as soon as we agree on, you know, the price, and then we say, okay, the earnest money deposit is what we're going to put into the escrow account for you, and it's 3%
Well, it's got a few
of what
scratches.
the cost is. So 3%, actually, I'll figure it out for you right now.
Hole in the wall.
So just call it 7.5 times 0.13. So they would, or whoever they would put in $21 into escrow in good faith, saying, hey, I want to buy a home. Good faith, I'm putting $21,000.
We got nice French doors right there. Nice pool in the backyard. It's gonna be a selling point kitchen.
So I think
Needs a complete rehab. You got recessed lighting. Okay. We got these awesome skylights. There's 2 of them in the house and they seem to be in great shape. You got recessed lighting throughout. This was a wet bar made into a closet. You've got the laundry room right here and then the garage. This was a bathroom that got extended for an elderly person, so it's a 2-car garage, but really it's like a car and a half. Still isn't too bad. Got the door going in the backyard, which will go back there last. Okay, you got the bathroom.
Just say this is a $725,000 home. This is going to be $1 million when he's old enough to buy a home, right? This is just, it'll be $1 million to walk into this place and buy it. Yeah. Like, it's crazy. So I know for a fact I'm going to have to help him. He won't be able to afford it. I'll probably help him with the down payment and then help to take care of the rest himself. But
Yeah, I mean, I do the same thing.
Okay, 4 bedrooms up here, so you had the 1 bedroom downstairs. This isn't bad. I'll put new carpet in here, new paint, and in this one a new ceiling fan, so we're pretty good. Finish patch up some parts of the drywall, but not bad.
like for
2nd bedroom, same thing, new paint. Ceiling fan in this one I'll leave, it's really good and not bad.
property tax, yeah, about $4,300.
Same thing, new paint, new carpet. Got a walk-in closet on this one. The master, which is in, oh, here's the bathroom. Okay, so this definitely needs updating. Master bedroom, very nice and big. You got the master bath right here. Walk-in closet. And then you got the balcony. Out here. Am I getting kicked out?
Next,
Someone's walking up right now. They're doing it. I just want to grab the back real quick and I'll be all done.
yeah, I'm gonna call you.
Okay, cool. We'll cut.
Okay.
Sure.